Hi, I'd like to show you the latest reference design DER978, which is a 720 watt DC to DC LLC resonant converter. The DER978 achieves greater than 98% LLC efficiency and reduces the component count by 40% compared to a discrete LLC design. Let's get started. The DER978 uses the HiperLCS-2 chipset, which is made up of two chips, the HiperLCS-2 half bridge on the primary side and the HiperLCS-2 SR, a secondary side safety isolation package, on the bottom of the board. Here is the high voltage 400 volt DC input. Then we have the LLC half bridge. The half bridge integrates two 600 volt MOSFETs, a controller, and a gate drive with level shifting, fault reporting, and robust protection features, all built in a single package. Another remarkable benefit is optimized system thermal performance through the use of an exposed ceramic pad right on the top of the package. The heatsink can be attached right over the pad or direct to the system enclosure. This simplifies heat sinking and minimizes the production cost. Then we have the LLC resonant capacitors, an integrated LLC transformer, eventually rectified and filtered by the SR FETs and the output capacitors. Now let's look at the other side of the board. HiperLCS-2 SR incorporates PI's unique FluxLink technology, enabling 4 kV reinforced isolation. You don't need an optocoupler. Built-in SR management and reduced gate losses enhances system efficiency. This device serves as a master, handling the secondary side control of the primary half bridge, eliminating any chance of a shoot-through event. The HiperLCS-2 chipset greatly simplifies the design of the LLC tank and reduces the time to market. If you would like to evaluate DER978, please contact your local FAE or Power Integration Sales Office. For more information on the board, visit power.com.